Johnny Flores. It's not only a horse training page, but it'll have horse training, guitar lessons, cooking, and drawing. Very entertaining. And why should you support me? I'll tell you why. Because I will earn your support. And because it's entertaining. I have a calling for education. My horse is running away. But I have a calling for education and teaching. I just love passing on the knowledge. It's so rewarding. But I'm also an entrepreneur, and since I'm too young to work, this is a way for me to earn my way a little bit more. And I'm very excited to get started teaching you all these different things. A little disclaimer, don't do anything dangerous without the supervision of a knowledgeable adult. Wink, wink.